Hello students, today we'll study about graphical representation of motion. This we have to study. First we'll study distance time graph, ST graph. It is also sometimes represented as XT graph. X denote position, T denote time. So basically it is distance time graph or we can say position time graph. Okay. Now we have this graph. On x-axis we represent time, on y-axis we represent distance. So this, for uniform motion, if there is equal change in interval in speed upon equal change in time, then there will be straight line. This straight line is representing uniform motion for ST graph. If there is non-uniform motion and speed is increasing continuously, this will be the graph. And if there is non-uniform motion and speed is decreasing continuously, then this will be the graph. On x-axis represent time, y-axis distance. X-axis time, y-axis distance. Further we have ST graph for a body at rest. Rest means body 0. This is the distance or position of an object, and whenever the time is increasing, position remains same. Since position is always remains same in a straight line, that means position is not changing. The object is at rest. Same, x-axis represent time, y-axis represent direction, distance or position. Now we have velocity time graph. It can also be expressed as VT graph generally. VT, it is for uniform motion, yani velocity is increasing continuously. If time is uniform motion means velocity is at constant, yani object is moving with a constant speed. Then time is increasing but velocity for every point is same in a straight line. That means it is uniform velocity, or what we can say, constant velocity graph. VT graph for uniformly accelerated motion. Acceleration means there is constant increase in the velocity. If there is constant increase in the velocity, then graph will be this straight line. Now VT graph, on x-axis there will be t, time, and on y-axis it represent velocity. Now acceleration, how we'll find? It will be v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1. This will gives us acceleration. So for uniformly accelerated motion, there will be equal increase in velocity with respect to equal interval of time. Now here we have next VT graph for non uniformly motion, but accelerated motion है, एक्सीलरेशन हो रहा है, स्पीड कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीज हो रही है, तो ग्राफ आगे की तरफ बढ़ता हुआ जाएगा. सेम एक्स एक्सिस पे टाइम और वाई एक्सिस पे वेलोसिटी. तो दिस विल बी आर ग्राफ फॉर नॉन यूनिफॉर्मली एक्सीलरेटेड मोशन. नाउ वी हैव VT ग्राफ फॉर यूनिफॉर्मली डी एक्सीलरेशन. डी एक्सीलरेशन मैंने पहले भी बताया था, व्हेन एक्सीलरेशन विल बी नेगेटिव, then it will called deceleration, or also it is called retardation. तो it is also called retardation. तो retardation में देखो क्या है, ग्राफ नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रही है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज बेसिकली रिटार्डेशन.